In this lesson, we will learn the different options Tilos has in order to calculate a task. Clean the working area. Insert a task. Use topsoil stripping template. Go to Coordinates tab. Here we can see the quantity of days and length Tilos has assigned to the graph we have made. Let's do an adjustment. Put 20 days in duration, and 1000 meters will be the extension of the task. Now let's go to Calculation tab. In any task, linear or not, there is a constant formula of 3 variables to calculate activities. Duration is equal to quantity divided by work rate of the team. For example, if we have to excavate 100 cubic meters and the work rate is 5 cubic meters a day, then the task duration will be 20 days. This means that we need 2 variables in order to calculate the third one. In the Calculate field, basically, we choose which variable we want to calculate based in the other 2 known variables. Do we need to calculate quantity, the work rate, the duration, or maybe no one? There are other options that we will review in the next lessons. Choose Calculate Duration. The first known parameter is work rate, 120 square meters per hour. We never put this quantity. This came from the template we chose to create the task. Let's check that. Look for that template. Checked. To return to the working area, we can use Go Backward and Forward buttons. The missing parameter is quantity. Realize that the unit of measure is square meters. That comes from the template too. In the task, all this data can be changed. Let's suppose this task has 15,000 square meters. Tilos calculates the task duration. Let's confirm the calculation. The work rate is 120 square meters per hour. That means 960 square meters per day if we take an activity calendar of 8 hours a day. The duration is 15,000 divided by 960 equals 15.63 days, equivalent to 16 days. Attention! The integer number is just visual because the calculation is not an integer number. To place decimals in the duration field, we have to go to Tilos Explorer. Then look for Library, Other Libraries, Branch Units. Look for the unit that the task is using and double-click on it. Indicate 2 decimals in the precision field. Change the work rate. Imagine that the team can produce 187.50 square meters an hour. Change the parameter which will be calculated, the work rate. Watch that this field is not changeable anymore. The cell is freezed. Suppose that we are going to perform 15,000 square meters in 20 days. So, change the duration to 20. Tilos has calculated that we need a work rate of 93.75 square meters per hour to succeed. Finally, change the calculated parameter to quantity. With a work rate of 140 square meters an hour and duration of 30 days, we will produce 33,600 square meters. In some other occasions, task quantities may come from other parameters not entered directly by the user. This we will discuss in further lessons. Close Tilos. It is not necessary to save the plan.